Teachmore's class is the best in town.
Hello, my bright and curious friends. Welcome back to Ms. Teachmore's magical classroom. I'm so happy you're here because today we have a super fun lesson all about healthy eating. Did you know that the food we eat is like fuel for our bodies? Just like a car needs gas to go, our bodies need healthy food to give us energy, help us grow, and keep us strong. Let's take a bite into today's lesson and learn how to make good food choices. Are you ready? Give me a big thumbs up. Before we play a fun game, let's learn a little more about fruits and vegetables. Did you know that these delicious foods are like nature's magic fuel for our bodies? They help us grow big and strong, give us energy, and even keep us from getting sick. This is a fruit. Fruits are usually sweet, juicy, and grow on trees, bushes, or vines. Some of our favorite fruits are apples, bananas, grapes, and oranges. Yum! And these are vegetables. Vegetables can taste sweet, crunchy, or even a little bitter, but they are so good for us. Carrots, broccoli, and lettuce are all vegetables. Can you think of your favorite vegetable? Shout it out! Great choices! Did you know that fruits and vegetables come in all sorts of colors? Each color helps our body in a different way. Red foods, like strawberries and tomatoes, help keep our heart strong. Orange and yellow foods, like carrots and bananas, help our eyes and give us energy. Green foods, like spinach and cucumbers, keep our bones and teeth strong. Blue and purple foods, like blueberries and grapes, help our brains and memory. That's why eating a rainbow of fruits and veggies is the best way to keep our bodies happy and healthy. Okay, my smart and curious friends, now that we know all about fruits and vegetables, it's time for a game. Let's play Guess the Food. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, look at this magical basket of fruits and vegetables. These are the superheroes of food. They help our bodies in different ways, and they come in all sorts of colors. Let's play a fun Guess the Food game. I will give you a clue, and you try to guess which fruit or vegetable I'm talking about. I'm red, round, and crunchy. You can eat me as a snack or in a pie. What am I? Yes, an apple. Good job. I'm long, orange, and bunnies love to eat me. What am I? That's right, a carrot. Way to go! I'm green. I look like a tiny tree, and I help your bones grow strong. What am I? You got it, broccoli. Wow, you guys are really smart. Good job. I am so proud of you. Wow, you are all such great food detectives. Fruits and vegetables help us grow big and strong, and eating a rainbow of colors gives our bodies different superpowers. Now it's time for a Ms. Teachmore music video.
Superfoods are here today to help us jump, run, and play. Fruits and veggies, whole grains too, they give us strength, it's really true. Superfoods, super strong, helping us all day long. Eat them up, feel so great. Healthy food is really first rate. Carrots help my eyes to see. Milk makes bones strong in me. Bananas help me run so fast. Superfoods make my energy last. Superfoods, super strong, helping us all day long. Eat them up, feel so great. Healthy food is really first rate. Beans and nuts give power too. Eggs help build muscles new. Whole wheat bread keeps me on track. Superfoods have got my back. Spinach makes me mighty strong. Berries help me all day long. Fish is great for brainy power. Superfoods give me strength each hour. Water keeps me fresh and cool.
Wasn't that a great song? That made me want to get up and dance. I hope you were able to dance and release some energy. Okay, let's get back to our lessons. Now, let's talk about the foods we eat. Some foods are everyday foods, and some foods are sometimes foods. Let's start with everyday foods. Everyday foods are foods we can eat every single day because they help us grow, give us energy, and keep us healthy. Let's look at some examples. Fruits and vegetables. These are full of vitamins and help our bodies stay strong. What's your favorite fruit or vegetable? Foods like whole wheat bread, oatmeal, and brown rice give us energy. I love oatmeal, especially with raisins and cinnamon. Milk, yogurt, and cheese help keep our bones and teeth strong. Do you like milk? Chicken, fish, beans, and eggs help build our muscles. Some people don't eat meat, so beans and nuts are good for them to get protein from. When we eat these everyday foods, our bodies get all the special things they need to run, jump, and play. Now, what about these foods? Candy, cookies, chips, and soda might taste yummy, but guess what? These are sometimes foods. Sometimes, foods don't have the same superpower nutrients as everyday foods. They have lots of sugar, salt, or fat, which means we shouldn't eat them all the time. But that doesn't mean we can never eat them. We just eat them sometimes, like at a party, a special treat, or every once in a while. Now, let's play a fun game to test what we've learned. It's time to play healthy or not. I will show you a food, and you tell me if it's an everyday food or a sometimes food. You can shout out your answer, or give me a big thumbs up for everyday foods and a wiggly finger for sometimes foods. Are you ready? Good! Let's begin! Yes, everyday food. Good job. Right, sometimes food. Way to go. Everyday food, it gives us energy. Wow, you guys are really smart. That's a sometimes food. Water's a better choice. Awesome! You guys are really good at this. Eating more. Everyday foods helps us stay healthy, strong, and ready for fun adventures. So next time you pick a snack, think, is it an everyday food or a sometimes food? You all are healthy eating experts. Great job making smart choices. Let's make a healthy snack. Now, it's time for a super fun and yummy activity. Let's make a healthy snack. This snack is called Apple Smiles. It's easy, delicious, and good for your body. Here's what you will need to make this delicious snack. First, you will need apple slices cut into thin wedges. These will be the lips. Next, you will need banana slices cut into small rounds. These will be the teeth. Finally, you need some peanut butter or sunflower butter if you have allergies. If you don't like sunflower butter, you can leave it out altogether. But before we start, remember to ask a grown-up for help to slice the apple and banana. Safety first. Take 2 apple slices. These will be the top and bottom lips of your smile. Spread peanut butter on one side of each apple slice. This is like our special glue to hold everything together. Place banana slices in the middle. These are the teeth of your apple smile. Gently gently press another apple slice on top. Now you have a big, yummy smile. Wow, look at that! A delicious, crunchy, and healthy snack. Eating healthy can be fun and tasty. Now, it's your turn to try making your own apple smile with a grown-up's help. Healthy food gives us energy, helps us grow, and keeps our bodies strong. Now let's keep learning and have some more fun. Before we go, it's time for today's Magic Fun Fact. Did you know that eating carrots can actually help you see better at night? That's because they have something called vitamin A, which keeps our eyes super strong. Isn't that amazing? Wow, we learned so much today about healthy eating. We talked about fruits and veggies, played games, made a snack, sang a song, and learned a fun fact. I can't wait to see you next time in Miss Teachmore's magical classroom. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep making healthy choices. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you more great content. See you in the next week.